3D printed egg. What's inside the egg? Ooh, that's the mystery. What's inside the egg, guys? Boy, 3D printed. This is kind of cool. It feels funny, but what is inside, guys? You want to know? You want to know? Hold on a second. Let's get her out. All right, what do we have? A dragon. 3D printed also. Moves. I think it goes around like that. And then comes around. Yeah. I don't know, but yeah, I think it's a new fidget toy, guys. Pretty cool. I go back to sleep, dragon. Back to sleep, dragon. Knowing me, I'll probably break this thing. So let's just end the video here, guys.